Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. We are going to cover the chapter operations with fractions. The lessons we're going to cover today are fractions of a number, word problems, decompose fractions into unit fractions, add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 3 math. We are on the chapter operations with fractions. Let's just start with the lesson that is fractions of a number, word problems. One half of the 8 people at the beach are wearing sunglasses. How many people are wearing sunglasses? So one half of the 8 people, right? So one half of the 8 people means you have to do 1 by 2 times 8, right? Just do multiply numerator times numerator, 8 times 1 is 8, and denominator times denominator, 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 times what number is 8? That is 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 4. Let's just start with the test questions. The correct option is 4. There are 6 berries in a bowl on the counter. Two-thirds of them are raspberries. How many raspberries are in the bowl? One third of these 6 berries, right? So you have to do 1 by 3 times 6. So 6 have the denominator 1. You have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. That is 6 over 3. So 3 times 2 is, sorry, two-third of them. That is two-third. 2 by 3 times 6 it is, right? 6 times 2 is 12 and 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. The correct option is 4. Here you can see two-third of them. There are 6 berries in a bowl on the counter. Two-third of them are raspberries. How many raspberries are in the bowl? So that is 4. The correct option is option number 2. That is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Of the 12 students on the playground, one sixth are wearing white shoes. How many children on the playground are wearing white shoes? So, one sixth of the 12 students are wearing white shoes. You have to calculate 1 by 6 times 12. So, which is the correct option? That is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. So, the correct option is 2. That means 2 of the children on the playground are wearing white shoes. Got it? Of the 9 popsicles in the freezer, one third are cherry. How many cherry popsicles are in the freezer? One third of 9 is, you need to calculate one third of 9. So, which is the correct option? 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. 2 sixths of the 12 trees in the orchard are cherry trees. How many cherry trees are in the orchard? 2 sixths of 12. So, you have to do 2 by 6 times 12. So, 12 times 2 is 24 and 6 times 1 is 6. So, which is the correct option? 6 times 4 is 24. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two quarters of the eight students in the choir have brown hair. How many students in the choir have brown hair? Which is the correct option? Two quarter. That is 2 by 4 times 8. So which is the correct option? That is 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That means 4 of the students who have brown hair. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4. Of the 4 trucks at the local dealership, one half are red. How many red trucks does the dealership have? So which is the correct option? One half are red. So the correct option is very good. 2 it is. The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is decompose fractions into unit fractions. Which expression shows 3 by 4 as a sum of unit fractions? So 3 by 4 it is. How can you decompose? When you decompose a fraction, the denominator must be same. You cannot change the denominator. You can just recompose the numerator like you have 3. So you can decompose 3 so many ways. Like for example, you can write 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1, the denominator is same, or either you can decompose 3 as 2 plus 1. So you have two ways. When you write them down in the decomposed form, that would be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and either that is 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. So that's how you decompose the fractions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we decompose the fractions. Let's just start with the test questions. Which expression shows 3 by 4 as a unit fraction? So which is the correct option? That's the one we just did on the tutorial. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. As I explained, the denominator must be same. You can just decompose the numerator. Like you can write 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So option number 1 is the correct option. Right expression. Which expression shows 2/5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? You need to write 2 by 5. So the denominator must be same. You can just decompose the numerator. So you can write 2 as 2 by 5 it is. You can just decompose the numerator. You can write it as 1 plus 1. So you can write as 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So option number 1 is the correct option. You can write it as 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, that is option number 1. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. Which expression shows 4 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Four by 5. Which is the correct option? That is option number 2, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Very good. Which expression shows 4 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Option number A is the correct option. That is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Option number A is the correct option. Which expression shows 2 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? That is D. You can write 2 by 5 as 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Option number D is the correct option. That is D. 2 by 5 it is. Which expression shows 3 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Three by 5 as a sum of unit fractions. So you can write 3 by 5 as option number C is the correct option. Got it? Which expression shows 3, 4 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Option number C, D is the correct option. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That's option number D. Very good. Which expression shows 2 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Very good. Option number A is the correct option. That is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Which expression shows 4 by 5 as a sum of unit fractions? So which is the correct option? Option number A is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Three by four minus two by four, which is the correct option? They have the same denominator, right? That means they have the like denominators. You simply have to subtract their numerators. When denominators are same, you simply have to subtract their numerators. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 1 by 4. 'Let's just start with the test questions. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4, which is the correct option? So they have like denominators. You simply need to subtract their numerators. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 1 by 4. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, which is the correct option? That is 2 by 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 2 by 5. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Very good. That is option number 1. 3 by 6 is the correct option. One by 5 plus 1 by 5. That is 2 by 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 6 by 8 minus 4 by 8. That is 2 by 8. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seven by 8 minus 6 by 8. That is 1 by 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Four by 10 plus 5 by 10, which is the correct option. That is 9 by 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 by 10 it is. Three by 7 minus 2 by 7, which is the correct option. That is 1 over 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 or 2 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10. That is 4 by 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10, which is the correct option. That is 3 by 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is operations with fractions. The lessons we have covered today are fractions of a number, word problems, decompose fractions into unit fractions, add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil. Please make sure you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.